Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to set Microsoft Edge to automatically delete your browsing history upon closing every time. So it is your options if you don't want to use in a private mode, or you can use a normal Microsoft Edge mode to track of all that history and easily to accessible on your computer. You can clear and delete those specific informations and also to customize by turning on and their settings. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang Microsoft Edge web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner and select mo lang yung 3-dot icon. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, kailangan mo lang select dito yung privacy, search and services. So click mo lang dito. And then next ay scroll down lang tayo and then select mo lang dito yung clear browsing data. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung options na choose what to clear every time you close the browser. So i-click mo lang dito. And then ito na siya. Okay, so clear browsing data on close. So makikita mo dito yung options mga kaibigan kung gusto mong ma-delete kapag nag-close tayo ng Microsoft Edge web browser automatic ay kailangan mo lang i-turn dito mga kaibigan or enable lang natin. Okay, so dito sa browsing history, mayroon na tayong 432 items and more. So, turn on or enable lang natin itong button niya. Ganyan siya. Okay? So, every time mag-close tayo dito ay automatic na madi-delete or maki-clear. So, andito naman yung other options kung gusto mong i-turning on or enable mo din ditong download history, cookies, and other site data, cache image and files, passwords, autofill, and site permissions ay kailangan mo lang i-turn on dito mga kaibigan. Alright? So, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-delete and clear browsing history in Microsoft Edge each time you exit. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.